I'm Kirk Johnson. I build birdhouses.
And how long have you been building birdhouses?
I started probably 25 years ago maybe. And my wife's kind of an artist too. Well, she is an artist. And I needed something for an outlet, and I started I like birds and I like to build birdhouses. Well, I went to MSU, Montana State University, and I have a degree in art in jewelry as a silversmith. And I used to run an art gallery in Helena in Maui, but that was a long time ago. So I still do my jewelry. I do some knife building, but lately it's pretty much birdhouses.
So, do you have a particular affection for birds, or is it the houses that really drive you?
At first it was just houses, but as I built them, I started to learn more about birds. My wife's an amateur bird watcher, so she's taught me a lot. And they're pretty amazing, and we get some amazing birds in Montana that migrate through. So you only get to see them maybe once or twice a year, but they are incredible. And if they make a nest in your yard, you can watch them evolve, grow, have their young, and then you become attached to them. You really start to like them. I'm up in the woods a lot. I love to be up in the woods and all the prairies and everything around Montana, the rivers. And it's all Montana woods and things I find out in the woods. So every time I go out in the woods, I'm always keeping an eye out for things that look neat. And over the years, it's kind of progressed into, or evolved into, as a squirrel, finding neater and neater things. It's all in your eye, I guess, and trying to put it together.
So how long does it take from start to finish for you to build one?
Tough question. It depends on the birdhouse. I'll start to build it and then it'll change, so I'll have to reconstruct it and do some different things, and if I don't like it, I'll tear it apart and redo it. Some go quick, I can do in a day. Some take a week. And the material I use can be a little bit strange to construct around too. Actually, my wife names almost all of them. She calls some the outhouse birdhouse and the rock birdhouse. She has names for pretty much all of them. I number them. I sign them and number them, so there's a history of all my birdhouses. So if they sell, and if anybody ever wants one repaired, I'll repair it.
And how long have you lived in Helena?
See, I moved to Helena 30 years ago. Before that, I lived in Alaska. I'm originally from Billings, but Montana's always my home. Always will be my home. All summer long, I'm collecting materials so I can work throughout the winter. So yeah, I'm going to continue to make them. It's my only creative outlet, and I have to have that. I have to have a creative outlet.
Yeah.